So all teachers will be teaching in Telugu. So that is a plus point. So all teachers will be telling in Telugu, students. So all teachers will be teaching in Telugu. So that is a plus point. So if you are interested for this 1 month trial plan, so if you are interested for 1 month trial plan, you can use my code RAJENDRALIVE so that you can get the 1 month trial plan for 2,250 rupees. So what is importance of this Telugu batch is, so this target, they are also targeting for EAMCET 2021. So they will prepare the students for a design course will be there, and the design course that will be preparing students for the EAMCET 2021. So detailed explanation, so explanation will be given in Telugu. So no doubt Telugu cheptaru andru teachers. So for better understanding of the student actually. So complete syllabus will be covered. So what is the importance is complete syllabus by the time. So next EAMCET examination will be coming. So complete syllabus will be covered. So that is the importance of this particular course. Then tips and tricks will be given. So tips and tricks will be given by the educator. So this batch has started recently. So if you are interested to enroll this, so you can use my code RAJENDRALIVE on our website. So and you can book the course for 1 month trial period of 2,250 rupees. So apart from that, what happens here is, so there is another course. So that is called comprehensive batch. So there is a comprehensive batch is also being. So there is a comprehensive batch. So there is a comprehensive batch of is also started. So in that I will be taking the biology classes, and Devi Prasad sir will be taking the physics classes. Sachina sir will be taking the chemistry classes. So what is importance of this batch is a complete preparation. So complete syllabus will be covered. So by end of the month of February, so complete syllabus in physics, chemistry and biology will be completed, so that student can get ready for the coming medical entrance examination. So tips and tricks also will be given by educator, and topic wise practice papers will be available. So you can get all this for 1 month plan of 2,250 rupees. If you are interested, you can use my code so that you can purchase the course for 2,250 rupees. Apart from this 1 month plan, I suggest you take the long term plan. So there are two best long term plans available on Unacademy EAMCET platform, that is 6 months plan as well as the 12 months plan. So what is the importance of this long term plans is, you will get the course for a very least price. So it is costing almost 10,125 rupees. 6 months plan is costing a very less amount actually. If you go to corporate colleges, they charge per year 1 lakh rupees. So it is very less amount, and you can learn from all the educators on our platform. So 6 months plan, 6 months plan is of about 10,125 rupees, and 12 months plan is of about 12,375 rupees. Students, if you are interested, you can go to our website. In that you open the EAMCET course and subscribe by using my code RAJENDRALIVE, so that you can get the 6 months plan for 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan for 12,375 rupees. So these are the best long term plan, students. I suggest you to take this plan so that you will be getting benefited out of this course actually. So welcome to few more students. Welcome to Nandini. So welcome to Ranga. So next year examination. So EAMCET 2021 schedule was not yet released. So next year examination date was not yet announced, but most probably after conduction of the NEET exam. So NEET exam is already, date was announced of next year NEET exam. It is on the May 3rd. So after May 3rd, within a gap of 1 week, so you'll be having the EAMCET examination certainly. So maybe in the by end of the May or third week of the May, you'll be having the EAMCET examination. So you can target for the at the end of the May. So let us see some multiple choice questions. These are the questions which came in the last EAMCET examination. So which among the following? So which among the following is not true for? Question is asking about which among the following is not true for endoplasmic reticulum. So question is asking about which is not true for endoplasmic reticulum. So if you see the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, so endoplasmic reticulum main functions, if you see the main functions of endoplasmic reticulum, so if you see the main functions, so endoplasmic reticulum is of two types actually. It is having the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and as well as it is having the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So two types of endoplasmic reticulum is present. So that is rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum has its own function. Similarly, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also having their own function. So let us see what is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the protein synthesis. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the protein synthesis. So whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also involved in the lipid synthesis. So main functions, these are the two major functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So if ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum, such type of endoplasmic reticulum is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are not attached to endoplasmic reticulum, such type of endoplasmic reticulum is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So if you see the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is lipid synthesis, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis. Now let us see the protein synthesis is mentioned here in our options. So certainly protein synthesis is taking place, it is a function of the endoplasmic reticulum, so this cannot be our answer. Then lipid synthesis is also a function of endoplasmic reticulum, so this also cannot be our answer. Similarly secretion, no doubt secretion of lipids and as well as secretion of proteins is taking place, so this also cannot be our answer because question is asking not true. So endoplasmic reticulum is not associated, it is not associated with ATP synthesis, it is not associated with ATP synthesis. So mitochondria is actually the mitochondria, the cell organelle mitochondria is associated with synthesis of ATP. So that is the reason. So this will be our answer. So this will be our answer. ATP synthesis will be our answer. It is not the function of endoplasmic reticulum. So let us move to the next question. So which of the following is not a benefit? Which of the following is not a benefit of organic farming? So question is asking which is not a benefit. So let us see the first statement. Complete eradication of pest. If you remove the pest completely, certainly it is not a benefit. It is not a benefit. Certainly it is not a benefit. So because prey and predator chain will get disturbed. So certainly there is a loss of or no benefit for organic farming. So then reduce the usage of chemicals. So no doubt if you reduce the usage of chemicals for the plants, no doubt it will be benefit for organic farming. Similarly, maintaining the ecosystem in field, so maintaining the ecological balance, then it is also get benefited. So no doubt this is also benefited. Then preservation of beneficial insects, so beneficial insects will be preserved, so that is also a benefit for the organic farming. So no doubt about it. So option 2, 3 and 4. So these all these statements are benefit for organic farming. So that cannot be our answer. Question is asking about which is not benefit. So question is asking which is not benefit. So certainly this will be our answer. So option 1 will be the answer for this particular question. So next let us see. So which of the following is a 6 carbon compound? Question is asking which of the following is a 6 carbon compound. Let us see which is a 6 carbon compound. So if you see the 6 carbon compound, so which of the following is a 6 carbon compound? That is the question. So first of all, if you see succinic acid, so no doubt succinic acid, fumaric acid, citric acid, pyruvic acid, these all are organic acids. No doubt these all are organic acids. So these all are, no doubt these are all are organic acids. So succinic acid, if you see succinic acid is a 4 carbon compound. So these all organic acids are intermediate compounds. They are intermediate compounds. No doubt these are called as intermediate compounds. So in which cycle it is intermediate compounds? They are intermediate compounds of Krebs cycle. So they are all the intermediate cycles of Krebs cycle involved in the process of respiration. So these are organic acids. So and these are intermediate compounds of the Krebs cycle. So succinic acid is 4 carbon compound. Then if you see fumaric acid, so fumaric acid is also 4 carbon compound. Then citric acid is 6 carbon compound. It is 6 carbon compound. And pyruvic acid, so pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon compound. So according to given question is asking to find out the 6 carbon compound. So certainly 6 carbon compound will be a citric acid. So citric acid will be our answer. So question is asking to find out the 6 carbon compound. So citric acid will be our answer, which is having the 6 carbon compound. Okay. So that is about this question. Let us move to the next one. So TI plasmid. So question is asking about the TI plasmid. So what is the meaning of this term? TI plasmid. So first of all, let us see what is this TI plasmid. So term TI plasmid means, what is the meaning of this term? TI plasmid means it is tumorogenic plasmid. So it is a tumorogenic. So TA, the term TA indicates tumorogenic plasmid. So TA plasmid is a tumorogenic plasmid. So this TA plasmid is present, no doubt it is present in a bacteria. So no doubt plasmids are present in bacteria, and specifically in which type of bacteria means it is present in bacteria that is called as, that is Agrobacterium. It is present in Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So this Agrobacterium tumefaciens, so there is the name of the bacterium that is called Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So TA plasmids are present in the bacteria. What is the meaning of this term TA plasmid? Means it is tumorogenic plasmid. So it is present, this tumorogenic plasmid is present in bacteria. Name of the bacteria is called as Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Okay. So where is this Agrobacterium? So this Agrobacterium tumefaciens causes a disease. The name of the disease is called as a crown gall of apples. It is called as a crown gall of apple. So crown gall of apple. So it causes a disease. The name of the disease is called as a crown gall of apple. So anyway, so according to our question, TA plasmid. So TA plasmid is obtained from bacterium. The name of the bacterium is called as Agrobacterium, and this Agrobacterium is acting as a plasmid in the recombinant DNA technology, especially in case of the plants. So in plant recombinant DNA technology, Agrobacterium plays a very, very important role. It is acting as a cloning vector. So that is the importance of this Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So let us see the next question. So ubised granules. So ubised bodies are produced from ubised bodies. So if you see the ubised bodies, where they are present, no doubt they are present in the anther, no doubt about it. So ubised bodies are found in the tapetum. So they are present in the tapetum. So that is the about this ubised bodies. Now let us see the next one. So point mutation. Next question. So point mutation. The question is asking about point mutation. So point mutation is caused in which of the following disease? The question is asking about point mutations are caused in which of the following disease? That is the question. So in which of the disease these point mutations are formed? So what is a point mutation here? So there is a change. So what happens in point mutation? So due to ultraviolet radiations, due to the exposure of the organism to ultraviolet radiations or gamma radiations, what happens is, so change in the, so deletion or addition. Change is not exactly change, actually it can be a deletion. So it can be a deletion or addition. So deletion or addition. So deletion or addition of, so deletion or addition of single base, means which base here? It is nitrogen base, single base. So deletion or means base or single nitrogen base in a DNA. So in a DNA. So point mutation, due to mutation, so that mutation is caused by some physical agents like ultraviolet radiations or gamma radiations or X-rays, whatever may be. So due to these physical radiations, what happens is there is in a DNA, in a double strand DNA, there is a deletion or addition of one single nucleotide takes place or single nitrogen base takes place. So because of that, what happens is the protein sequence will alter. So that leads to an abnormal protein. So such condition is called as a point mutation. So point mutation can be observed in case of the sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is caused because of the point mutation, no doubt about it. So that is what we have to remember here. So point mutation occurs in which cases means that leads to an abnormal hemoglobin, that is called abnormal condition, that is called sickle cell anemia. So that is about that question. Let's move to the next question. So which of the following statement is correct? Let us see which of the following statement is incorrect. Question is asking about which of the following statement is incorrect statement. So question is asking which is a incorrect statement. So if you see the first point, let us see from fourth option. Let us come first to fourth option. So albigo. So no, albigo is no doubt it is a fungi. So albigo is a fungi. So no doubt it is a parasite. So the statement is correct. Then striga. So striga is no doubt it is also parasite plant, but it is a partial parasite, that is also true. So mycobacterium. So mycobacterium is a bacterium, actually it is a bacterium. So it is also a parasite, no doubt about it. It is a facultative parasite. So Rafflesia. So Rafflesia is also parasite, but it is not incomplete. It is a complete parasite. It is completely depend on the host. So complete parasite. So Rafflesia is a complete parasite. That is the reason it is the So this will be our answer. So it is an incorrect statement, so that will be our answer actually. Next, that is about that question. Let us move to next one. The microbes, so which is opted for narrow spectrum of insecticides. So microbe here, so the which microbe is used as a insecticide, that is a question. So let us see the microbe which is used as a narrow spectrum of insecticide. So Bacillus thuringiensis, no doubt it is a microbe that is also used as insecticide, no doubt about it, but it is a broad spectrum. It can kill several microbes, means it can kill several insects. It's a broad, actually it is a broad spectrum, it is a broad spectrum. So no doubt it is also insecticide, but it is a broad spectrum, it is a broad spectrum insecticide. Then Milogdignia, so it is a nematode actually. The Milogdignia is a nematode. So this nematode generally causes the infections to plants. No doubt it causes diseases in plants. No doubt it causes disease in plants. Nematode it is. So no doubt it causes disease in plants. So this cannot be our answer. Similarly, option A, that is Bacillus thuringiensis, also cannot be our answer. Let us see about Saccharomyces. So Saccharomyces is a yeast. So yeast do not cause any infection. So this also cannot be our answer. Then the only one, that is called nucleopolyhedrovirus. Now this will be our answer. So this is a, no doubt this is a microbe, and it is also act as insecticide. So the only virus which is acting as a biocontrolling agent, the virus which is acting as a biocontrolling agent is nucleopolyhedrovirus. Nucleopolyhedrovirus is the, no doubt it is a biocontrolling agent. Next, so let us see next question. So match the following. So let us see the match the following. So in this question, if you see clearly, so if you see the options, let us start from the fourth option. So it looks like very easy. So Griffith, is conducted some experiments on the transformation. So Griffith has conducted experiments on transformation. Then Robert Koch has proposed germ theory of diseases. So Robert Koch is a person who has proposed germ theory of disease. Then Liderberg and Tatum. So Liderberg and Tatum is the person who has done conjugation in case of the bacteria. Then Gender and Liderberg are involved in the transduction. So based on that, this will be our answer. So these are the scientists who has conducted experiments on bacteria. Okay, so Griffith has conducted the transformation experiments. So Robert Koch has proposed a theory that is called germ theory of diseases. Similarly, Liderberg and Tatum, so they have identified sexual reproduction in bacteria, and name of the sexual reproduction in bacteria, that is called as a conjugation. So conjugation is the sexual reproduction in case of the bacteria. So Gender and Liderberg, so they are also conducted experiments, and that they named it as a transduction. So transduction was given by Gender and Liderberg. Next, if we explore anther, so if we explore anther from outside to inside, so if we explore anther from outside to inside, so which sequence will be the correct? That is the question. Which sequence will be the correct? So if you see if you cut the anther, if you take the transaction of anther, so transaction of anther appears as a butterfly-like structure. So it appears as a butterfly-like structure. Transaction of anther is a butterfly-like structure, no doubt about it. So in that butterfly-like structure, first outer surface will be a cell wall. You will be having the epidermis, no doubt. So first will be epidermis, no doubt about it. The first will be epidermis. Below epidermis you have endothecium. Actually, it is not endothelium, it is endothecium. So endothecium actually. So first will be 1 and this will be 2. Okay. Then after that you have middle layers. Then after that you will be having the middle layers, third, and in the inner side is tapetum. So based on that, our answer will be CADB. So that is the sequence. So outer one will be epidermis, inner side of the epidermis is endothecium. So inner to the endothecium is middle layers, and still innermost is a tapetum. So like this, that is the sequence of this particular sequence. Okay. Next, Avena curvature test. Next one is called as Avena curvature test. So Avena curvature test, no doubt it is a bioassay. So what is the purpose of this Avena culture test? Is to identify the activity of the phytohormones. So the phytohormones, Avena curvature test is done to examine the activity of auxin actually. So auxin. So the main purpose is to examine the activity of auxin. Okay, so that is the answer. So auxin will be our answer. Next, tobacco mosaic virus. Next is question is asking about, so tobacco mosaic virus. So tobacco mosaic virus, the capsid of tobacco mosaic virus, the capsid is, the units of capsid is capsomere. So units of capsid, so generally they'll ask what is the units of capsid. The units of capsid is capsomers, and this capsomer, so in a capsid, how many, in a capsid of tobacco mosaic virus, the number of capsomers are 2130. So 2130 capsomers are present, so together forms one capsid. So the units of capsid is capsomer or capsomere. Okay, so how many capsomere or capsomere is present? 2130 capsomeres are present. So that will be our answer actually in this case. So next, let us see the next question. So match the following. So this question is, next question is of match the following. If you see the pitch of the helix, so pitch of the helix, so if you see the pitch of the helix, so pitch of the helix is, no doubt it is, so pitch of the helix is 3.5 nanometers. Number of base pairs per turn is 10 base pairs. So distance between the two base pairs is 0.34. So number of helix, nature of helix. So helix is always right hand, no doubt about it. Nature of the helix is always right hand. Okay, so nature of the helix is always right hand. If you see clearly, so option 2 will be our answer here. So let us see the match the following. Next, match the following. If you see the match the following, so trichoderma. So trichoderma is a fungus. So fungus trichoderma is used in the preparation of statins. Next, Saccharomyces is used in fermentation of toddy. So it is used in the fermentation of toddy. So no doubt about it. So fermentation of toddy. So kallu, toddy ante kallu ikkada kallu fermentation jaralante khachiతంగా Saccharomyces cerevisiae use cheyali. Next, Aspergillus niger, they produces So Aspergillus niger, they produce citric acid, and Acetobacter st, they produce acetic acid. So based on that, let us see which option is correct. So certainly it looks like the option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so trichoderma is involved in synthesis of statins, Saccharomyces in fermentation of toddy, Aspergillus niger is used in preparation of citric acid, Acetobacter st is involved in synthesis of the acetic acid. So let us see the next question. Respiratory coefficient. So respiratory coefficient is maximum. So respiratory coefficient is maximum when respiratory substrate is. So if you see the respiratory coefficient, so respiratory coefficient in case of the fats, respiratory coefficient is, no doubt it is less than 1. So it is less than 1. So this cannot be our answer. Then if you see the glucose, so glucose is a carbohydrate. It is, the respiratory coefficient is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. So this also cannot be our answer. Then if you see the proteins, it is also less than 1. So respiratory coefficient is, it is also less than 1, something like approximately 0.9. So malic acid, will be approximately, so this is malic acid is an organic acid. So malic acid is an organic acid. So what we have to remember is, the organic acids have respiratory coefficient. Organic acids have respiratory coefficient more than 1. Organic acids have respiratory coefficient more than 1. So certainly this malic acid will be having more than 1, and approximately it will be something like 1.33. So for that reason, so our answer will be malic acid will be our answer actually here. So let us see the next question. So which of the following is called the Drosophila? Which is called as a Drosophila of plant kingdom? So which is called as a Drosophila of plant kingdom, if you see. So means why it is called Drosophila of plant kingdom? Why it is called Drosophila of plant kingdom is, it is extensively studied. So extensively studied. So extensively studied in the laboratory. as it is extensively studied in the laboratory, it is compared with the Drosophila. So Drosophila is an animal which is extensively studied in the laboratory. Okay, it is animal. So his question is asking about plant kingdom, the member of plant kingdom which is extensively studied in the laboratory. So E. coli. So E. coli is no doubt it is extensively studied bacteria. So E. coli is also extensively studied. It is an extensively studied bacteria is E. coli, no doubt about it. Extensively studied bacteria is E. coli. So similarly, Estabularia is also extensively studied. It is one of the largest plant cell. So one of the largest plant cell is Estabularia. That is its importance. Estabularia is the largest plant cell. Then no doubt Chlorella. So Chlorella is also no doubt it is an algae, but it is single cell algae. Then Neurospora is the fungi which is also extensively studied in the laboratory. So it is considered as a Drosophila of the plant kingdom. So Neurospora is a fungi. See, it is extensively studied fungi in the laboratory is Neurospora. So that is the reason Neurospora is considered as a Drosophila of the plant kingdom. Neurospora fungi is a part of the plant kingdom. So it is considered as a Drosophila of the plant kingdom. Next. So cytokinins. So cytokinins such as geatin. So cytokinins such as geatin is isolated from the coconut milk. So that is what it is isolated from the coconut milk. So that is the answer for this question. So that is the end of the today's multiple choice question discussion, students. So before closing, I would like to introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription. So what I suggest is Unacademy is providing a well-designed course. Unacademy is providing a well-designed course in its Plus platform, students. I suggest you to take the subscription for long-term plans like 6 months plan. If you see 6 months plan, so you can see 6 months plan of costing 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan of 12,375 rupees. So these are the best plans, students. So you have only 6 months time for your preparation for coming medical entrance examination. Nearly 7 to 8 months are there. So I suggest you to take 12 months plan or 6 months plan so that you will be having complete preparation. This amount is also very less. If you go to corporate colleges, they charge nearly lakhs of rupees. I suggest you to take the subscription and study with all the educators on our platform, students. So that is about our Unacademy Plus subscription. So that is end of our today's class, students. Thank you all of you. So see you in the next class.